Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am iShine follower for those that don't know me. Today I'm going to be showing you how I turn my dining room into a photo shoot, and these are just pictures of the designs that I've done in the past. So it's just gonna be a quick and easy video. And for those that don't know, I do photography on the side. I have a full-time job, but I do photography on the side also. If you don't know, you can check me out on Instagram, iShine_follower, and that's my Instagram handle. Check me out and you won't be disappointed. But yeah, I'm just making a short video showing you how I go about it. First, I clear out my dining area. I move my dining table and my chairs to the living room area to make room, and I just go ahead and clean it. Don't mind me. Just sweep the area, make sure it's clean. And I just clear out everything in the dining area to make room for what I'm about to do. And here I'm just trying to measure the space. I think it's about 10 feet, or 10 by 10, thereabout. I'm putting up the backdrop right now. yeah, that's pretty much how I go about setting up for photo shoots. I hope someone learned something. This is just to encourage someone. Whatever your hands find doing, just do it well. Don't wait till I don't know what you're waiting on. Just start where you are and keep growing and getting better. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see from me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.